and you have to publish. Yeah, you have to select it. Then select the color or select the color. Color is not selected.
I'm not sure why it doesn't take the color.
One second. Yeah, it's taken out. Now see. Can you see the background changed color? Yes. Right? This looks something good, right? This color good.
Yes, the color changed, but I had to as well to change. You see here the opacity.
Yeah. Yeah, because of that opacity, it was not taking the color. So this looks good as per the layout.
Well, it looks funny. It doesn't suit the website anymore, but it's good for training.
Yeah, that's what I said. To know whether yes, it is looks like good like this. How it looks like, you can see. Maybe you can change the opacity. It will look more better. Not fully, maybe little. Okay. So this header padding top is there, no? So the top, the padding between the header and the top bar. So you can, it is 15 pixels. So you can just change the pixels. Can go, yeah, you can go with that layout. Yeah, great. Let's go back onto the layouts. Yeah. There, the top bar. So when you click on the top bar,
So this one.
Yeah, that is the top bar. Yes. Okay. So there it is saying if you want a color or something, you can give the top bar color, size, everything it is given here. So you can change the top bar color or
Yes, it changed.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Good minute, you are learning fast. Good in this.
Thanks.
Okay, so now go back from the top part,
Yeah.
the main menu. So main menu, we will see it later, because now let us be here. It is just we can change the main menu what font you want. This main menu is on top. This home, pages, courses, events on the top. So that if you want to change the color, text color, hover color, we can change the color here.
I don't think so, because it's working
Yeah,
the same way.
yeah. So we will go back. So mobile menu, if you want to change, you can change. Otherwise, you can just how it will look like in mobile. So what should be the
So
background
this is
color?
only for the mobile phone.
Yeah, only for the mobile. If the moment somebody opens in the mobile, this will be the background color. This will be the text color. This will be the hover color.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this background color. Because here I cannot see a lot of background color.
No. The icon. Go top. There is three is there, no? Three lines. That three lines. Click on that on the right hand side. That down. Yeah, that one. Yeah, this
Okay.
one. Yeah, this color. So this background color and this text color and this hover color. So this three is what we have defined here. So if you want to change that, instead of background select color, you can, this color will be changed in the menu. Yeah, then if you change the color, yellow. Go back.
That is changed.
No. Change. That is already default changed.
I cannot see what is changing. Oh, now it changed. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go back to black.
Okay. So in the mobile version, how we want, we can change it there. So similarly, the sub menu, how we want the sub menu to be, like when you click on that, what is the sub menu, and the sticky menu colors combination you can give here.
But that's the sub menu on the website now.
On the website, yeah. So sub menu, when you click on, yeah. So these background color. What is the color? Background color, the text color, and the hover color. So if you change this color will be changed. Sub menu.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what we are customizing, what we want, how we want. Okay. Go back now. Now sticky menu. So on the sticky menu, when you click scroll it, then here it is. So what color, background color you want here, what text color you want, and then again the hover color. So these things can be changed as per our.
Now, and you can as well choose whether you want the sticky on.
Yeah, on, yeah, off. Yes, exactly. So even the top bar also, you can say you want or not, you can select it on or off. So anything this is the customization. So how you want. But sticky bar is always recommended because once you scroll down, the menu has to be there. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Great. So let's go back. So this is, yeah, now go back to the header now. So similarly, you can go to the page title. So you can click on the page title, then title and settings you can do. So hidden page title on or off. The title is on the top what you see. So hidden page title. So this we can keep it default. We don't have to do anything for the settings. Just go back. So when you click on title, the title color. So this is how it will look like. So what is the title color background for the inside pages? This is not for the home page. It is for the inside pages. Once we start working on the inside pages, I will tell you how. So you can go back. I will tell you when we work on the inside page. Okay, breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs is off now. So you can. Do you know what is breadcrumbs?
I don't. It's a funny name actually for website.
No, actually, whenever you some website, when you see, if you go for Amazon or any shopping website, on the top when you click on the menus, let us say you choose accessories, you choose some shoes. So on the top you will see home, accessories, and shoes on the top. So that is breadcrumbs. So if I want to show you how it looks like. Let's see that it comes to Amazon.com. Okay, you can go to Amazon.com. You go click on Amazon.com. You will select on any product. Go down. And this is option. This is option. Which is usually on the top. It is usually on the top. I'm just sharing my screen. You're able to see my screen?